Hello and welcome to class number 15. Class number 15, which means you are not a complete beginner now but beginning to move forward in your mastery of the basics of Spanish language. The word for I have in Spanish is yo tengo. Yo tengo. I have. Yo tengo. The O here refers to the first person I. So it's not always necessary to say yo with tengo. It's simply tengo. You can simply say tengo. With a soft T, tengo means I have. With a very soft T and a pure O. Alright. Do you remember how we said I am sorry? Means I feel it. Lo siento. Lo siento. If lo siento means I feel it and you remember that lo means it, then how would we say I have it? I have it. Simply lo tengo. Lo tengo means I have it. Lo tengo. I have it. And how would we say I don't have it? I don't have it. No lo tengo. No lo tengo. I don't have it. The point to remember here is that it means lo in Spanish goes before the verb, unlike in English. I'm repeating, the pronoun it goes before the verb, unlike in English. Lo siento. Lo tengo. No lo tengo. I don't have it. I hope you understand this. Now, tell me, you have a beer. Means you say, I have a beer. Tengo una cerveza. Tengo una cerveza. You say, I have a coffee. I have a coffee. Tengo un café. Tengo un café. Remember, I have it. Lo tengo. Lo tengo. Practice it few times to take it in your head. I'll see you.